Very good evening. Today news. QLC is celebrating 9th year of annual trip 2012. The teams are preparing themselves very aggressively for this trip meeting. During the preparation, 9 people are missing in different locations from the QLC family. The investigation board could not find any reason for this missing. Let's see the missing list published by the QLC management. From Pune branch, Mr. Pawan Kumar, Senior Executive Talent Acquisition from JC Non-IT team, and reporting to Mr. Nirmal Patel. He has been working in this company for last 4 months. Next, Ms. Bandip Karur Bhatia, Senior Executive Talent Acquisition from JC IT team, and reporting to Mr. Nilesh. She has been working in this company for last 6 months. Yeah, let's see their manager statement.
Pawan, someone please find out where Lalu Prasad Yadav is. Pawan is someone who follows the principles of Lalu Prasad Yadav and is a die-hard fan of Lalu. So I'm sure that he would be nowhere, he would be there with Lalu only. Oh, Pawan, a lot of them feels that Pawan has made the biggest mistake in his life by leaving a regional sales manager job in pharmaceutical and have joined recruitment. According to me, he has made the smartest move in his life. With the kind of aggression he has, the talent and the commitment, he is going to reach heights. Pawan, we miss you, Pawan. Bandip, she's missing. Good heavens. Everybody in this company had a doubt in Bandip and Sandeep. Anyway, she's missing, that's good enough. Nilesh, by the way, Nilesh was telling that she's a good resource. Guys, do something. See if you can get her back. We'll at least look for a new name for her, but at least get her back. No problem. Mandeep, come back.
Missing list from Bangalore branch, Purpula Executive Talent Acquisition from IT Contract team, and reporting to Ms. Niktia. And she has been working in this company for last 4 months. Let's see what her manager is talking about.
Purpula's joined QLC in August 2011. She is very lively and always has smile on her face. And to tell about work, yes, she is very good at her work and she gels well with the team. Purpula, we miss you a lot.
Anamika Singh, Trainee Talent Acquisition from Skill Matrix IT Placement Team, and reporting to Mr. Sundar Gopal. She has joined just a month before. Our team just spoke to her manager, Mr. Sundar Gopal.
Actually, she has been in SMX for the past 1 month. She might be new to our team, but we can notice her as an active person, and of course, whenever expected, she never hesitates to do multitasking. She loves to be carefree and enjoying life. As we all know, she is a BE graduate in computer science, and she has proved her exceptional knowledge in technologies, winning accolades in national level debugging contest and model making projects. After all, we miss you, Anamika.
Flash News. Coimbatore branch operation manager Mrs. Bona Pradeep missed just a few minutes before. The noted point is she is a senior member and she has been working for this company last 6.5 years. Let's try to connect the special person, Mr. Suresh Narayanan, CEO of the company.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले.
Hello, Suresh Narayan here.
Hi sir, we are calling from BBC. What do you like to talk about Bona Pradeep missing?
What? Bona's missing? Don't joke here. You serious? Just give me a minute. I'll talk to her husband. Hello, Pradeep, Suresh here. Is Bona around? No, yeah, she's not in the office. People are saying she's missing. And why are you laughing? Hey, why are you laughing so loudly, yaar? You're so happy. Okay, in a way I'm also happy, but my customers are not going to be happy here. She handles them really well. They want to know where she is. What do we do now? Fine, let's play it like this. The guys who have kidnapped her will call you up to ask you for a ransom. You play it in a reverse way. You ask them for a ransom. Tell them you need 1 crore of rupees to take Bona back. They'll say no, keep her for a week. And after a week, you and me know the story, no? They can't keep her anymore. They'll send her back to you. You take the 1 crore, send Bona back to QLC. Perfect. Okay, bye.
Thanks for sharing your part in BBC Sir. We got some more missing lists from corporate office in Chennai. Mr. Sundar, tiny talent acquisition from IT contact team and reporting to Mrs. Johnavi. He has been working for the company last 6 months. Next, Veni Ilangovan, executive talent acquisition from JC, non-IT team and reporting to Mr. Sedu. She has been working for this company last 1 year. Sujata, executive talent acquisition from IT contact team and reporting to Mr. Muthukumar. She has been working for the company last 1 year and 3 months. Let's see their manager's feedback.
Sundar is missing? Cannot believe this. Hey Macha, just go look for him in UK, man. I believe he got educated from UK. That's what he's saying. This guy is a very smart guy. Believe me, I would like to say a few things. He has worked for one company, product-based development company called iMini, and he cracked that client. Believe me, nobody can do that. I want this guy somehow. I miss him.
What? Veni is missing? I don't think so. I think I saw most of the restaurants open in Tinagar. If Veni is missing, all those restaurants and hotels would be closed. Because that's the amount of food she generally eats. Boss, about Veni, we had a client, Kupa Basman. Every one of us were trying our best to close the first deal with them. And that's the time when Veni had just joined. It didn't take time for her to understand what the client is or what the requirement is. It just took a little bit time for her to understand that, and she closed the deal. And from there onwards, that's been the success of Veni. We miss you, Veni.
What? Sujata is missing. I cannot believe this. Macha, I'll tell you something. Look for her in the corners of the food joints. She'll be there munching something. See, believe me, I want to tell you one thing about her. If I give recruitment, she's good. She's good in dancing. She's good in singing. I want this girl somehow. You guys get this girl. I really miss her. I really miss her.
Next, Mr. Karthikeyan, team lead, working in JC IT placement team and reporting to Mr. Janardhanam. He is working for this company 4 years and 8 months.
மாதிரி ஒரு ஆள் மிஸ் ஆயிட்டான்னு சொல்றீங்களப்பா. அவன் என்ன மாதிரி ஆளு, பெரிய வரப்பிரசாதம் ஒரு மேனேஜருக்கும். அந்த ஆளு போய் காணாம போயிட்டான்னு சொல்றீங்க. என்ன சீரியஸான விஷயம் அது. இதை வந்து சாதாரணமா சொல்றீங்க. அப்பேற்பட்ட ஆளு அவன் பண்ண வேலை என்னன்னு தெரியுங்களா? அவன் வந்து டென்ஷன் பார்ட்டிப்பா. அந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனை தான் அவனோட பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம். அது இல்லைன்னா அந்த ஆள் எங்கேயோ போயிடுவான் தெரியுங்களா? அடுத்தது அவரை பற்றி சொல்கிறபடி முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, அவர் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன அந்த பதட்டத்தில் செஞ்ச ஒரு வேலை. ஒரு சத்யம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் நமக்குன்னு ஒரு கிளைண்ட் இருந்தது. அந்த கிளைண்ட்டுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி ஆஃபர் வாங்கின கேண்டிடேட்டுக்கு திருப்பி அவரே ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்ணி நாங்கள் திருப்பி ஆஃபர் வாங்கி எனக்கு வந்து ரிவிட் வந்து பெரிய ரிவிட்டு. ஆனால் இப்பேற்பட்ட ஆள் அவர் செஞ்ச வேலை என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஒரு டைம் 2007 புயல் மழை வெள்ளம். அந்த நேரத்தில் ஒரு 10 பேர் கொண்ட ஆள் ஐபீரியனில் லைட் அப் பண்ணார். அந்த 10 பேரில் 7 பேர் போய் அட்டன் பண்ணார். நம்ம காம்படிட்டர் எவனுமே எல்லாம் நோ ஷோ. இந்த ஆள் மட்டும் 7 பேர் அனுப்பிச்சு அதில் 5 பேர் ஆஃபர் வாங்கினா. அந்த 5 ஜாயின் பண்ணிச்சு. இவனை மாதிரி ஒரு பிஸ்த ஆள் மிஸ் ஆகிட்டான்னு சொல்கிறீங்களவா?
The most important person of the company who can be a key for Windows, Mr. Agilan, Executive IT Infra from PDT department and reporting to Mr. Raghunathan. He has been working for this company for last 1 year and 7 months. Let's see his managers talking about him.
What? Agilan is untraceable. What will I do now, man? He is the one-man army of IT department. Leave alone his IT troubleshooting skills here. What a dancer he is. He would have given Michael Jackson a run for his money. Anyway, the girls will be happy. He'll not be around to caress them with the birthday cake cream. Guys, get him somehow. I miss him.
We'll continue after the break.
இப்படிதான் சிரிக்கணும், இப்படிதான் டைரக்டர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
ஓகே, யூ கண்டினியூ. யார்ப்பா நீ? எதுக்கு என்ன போய் நீ கடத்துன?
சுஜாதாவா? ஆபீஸ்ல இருக்கவங்களோட ஜாதகம் பூரா உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கு. ஆனா உன் ஜாதகம் இப்ப என் கையில இருக்கு. அத நான் எப்படி மாத்தி அது போறேன்னு பாரு.
इतना रे आप लोग जो भी बोल रहे हो हिंदी में बोलो, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
अरे पवन बेटा, we don't understand what you are speaking. Ele don't worry, we are.
ஐயோ பசிக்குதே. சாப்பிட்டு 10 நிமிஷம் ஆகுது. செல்வம் இருந்தாலாச்சும் ஏதாச்சும் கொடுப்பாரு. ஐயோ செல்வம், சாப்பிட ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
செல்வம், நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோ, அப்படியே கையில ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோ. பாப்பாம் 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 பாபாபா.
மச்சி சீரியஸ்?
ஓகே மச்சி, தீனி பண்டாரம் 24 hours eating but no sharing. Why?
Hello. Yeah, good evening. This is Karthik from Job Cookies. Regarding? Yeah, we have an opening for Cognizant for C++ Unix professional.
Hey, mister. One day, one time I kidnapped you is waste. I should have kidnapped your phone. Only one. No other activities. What is this?
ஹலோ, யார்ப்பா நீ? என்னையே கடத்தின? ஆஃபீஸில் ஏர்கிராஃப்ட் வேற ஒர்க் ஆகலையா? சுரேஷ் சார் ரிப்போர்ட் கேட்டாருன்னு சந்தீப் வேற கத்த போறாரு. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தயவு செய்து அமுச்சு விட ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு.
Everyone is there. No problem. But you are the common problem for everyone. No work. Only other activities.
हमें क्यों किडनैप किया है?
மச்சான், பானு கொடுத்த 15 நிமிஷத்துல இவ்வளவுதான்டா பேச முடியும்.
யாரா நீ?
நான் டா இல்ல டி.
போனா நீங்களா?
Yeah, it's me. I don't know any other way except kidnapping you people. Why? Because you people are not even cooperating for con call, not even coming for the trip meeting. That's the reason I kidnapped you all. Anyways, happened to happen. At least hereafter you people cooperate for our annual trip. Come, let's start our annual trip meeting.